Welcome to Yoruba Essentials. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí Yorùbá pàtàkì. Kò ṣeé má ní Yorùbá. Victoria. Kí ni kí a sọ lénìí? Dìde jókòó. Dìde, kí ni dìde mean?
Stand up.
Okay. Jókòó ńkọ́?
Down.
Sọ sókè.
Upstairs.
Sọ sókè.
Why are you laughing at me?
Sọ ọ́. Sọ ọ́.
What's that?
Sọ. Say it loud. Sọ. Sọ.
Okay, say it loud.
Kí ni sọ?
Say.
Ó ṣe. Sọ pé. Kí ni sọ pé?
Say it.
Kí ni sọ? Sọ ọ́. Kí ni ọ́? It. Say it. Sọ ọ́. Sọ ọ́. Say it.
Is this the plan?
Yes.
What are we doing here? I'm trying to understand.
The plan is we are teaching sọ ọ́ sókè. So today is about sọ ọ́. Because you know what?
Didn't you say it was a role play or something?
It's a role play, but the thing is that it will definitely direct to you because you are the weaker vessel. Do you see what I'm saying? You have actually informed the curriculum. Because when I said, Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí Yorùbá pàtàkì, welcome to Yoruba Essentials. And I said, Victoria, dìde. And I said, what is that? You say, get up. Isn't it? So when I now say, sọ ọ́ sókè, you didn't get that. And so, even though I don't have a plan, I turned that into my plan. That is to teach you what sọ ọ́ sókè means. Do you see what I'm saying? Because these are 1 minute, 2 minute videos. So you can only do so much as, say, do one line. Do you see what I'm saying? So that when the video is going to be recorded, we are just going to write Yoruba Essential, sọ ọ́ sókè. Do you see what I'm saying? So whoever is watching, they will say, oh, we are learning about sọ ọ́ sókè. And the procedure in which I was able to teach it to somebody like a kindergarten. Do you see what I'm saying? They will be amazed by that. Even though we didn't plan it, the plan came up. It was informed by the weaker vessel. Do you see what I'm saying? It's difficult for me to inform the plan because I know Yoruba. But you are able to teach when you are able to fall down to the level of the learner. Do you see what I'm saying? So that is why this game is going to work. We will not know what we are going to do, but then your reaction to what I say will inform the lesson plan, and that is what we are going to do for 1 minute, and that's it. Are you happy with that? So that's